tell you what, Darryl, Jackson Storm has certainly made an impact. We've got 6 more next-generation rookies in the field.
With 6 veterans fired to clear the way.
Morning, champ. How's our living legend today?
Still very much alive, thank you. And I would appreciate...
You know, I can't believe I get to race the Lightning McQueen in his farewell season.
What are you talking about?
Oh, green flag. Good luck out there, champ. You're gonna need it.
One reason Storm and the Next Gens are more efficient, their ability to hold the optimum racing line every single lap.
Win number 3 for the rookie sensation.
Storm's in a class of his own, and a big reason for that, training on the newest cutting-edge simulators. These machines create a virtual racing experience so real, racers never even have to go outside.
Storm's ability to hold that line is like nothing we've ever seen.
4 in a row? Are you kidding me?
2% lower drag coefficient.
Oh, what a finish!
5% increased downforce.
Lucky number 7.
1.2% higher top speed.
Amazing! 9!
Piston Cup winner Chick Hicks here with the racer taking the circuit by storm, Jackson Storm. Another easy win over old Kachow. Or should I say Caboose, because he's always in the back, am I right?
No, chick. McQueen is a crafty veteran champ. He's the elder statesman of the sport, you know? Takes everything I got to beat him.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What changes are you gonna make to get McQueen back on top?
Will McQueen try new training methods?
Prepared to retire?
Come on, guys, let's not overreact. It's just a slump. We'll get him next week. Okay, that's enough. No comment.
Not even about Cal Weathers retiring?
Wait, what?
Cal Weathers. He's hanging up his light years.
No. No comment on that either. Hey, Cal!
Hey, retirement? What's going on?
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said? The youngsters will tell you. We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Yeah.